ones do good under pressure. Whoa, whoa. Real ones don't have to be a flexer. Some shit comes natural. Yeah. Real shit comes natural to me. Whoa, whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some shit comes natural. Real shit comes natural to me.
Dude, it's me. I know you're probably wondering why I'm all fancy, but anyway, I took some pictures today for Instagram. I was feeling a little creative. And I do have on the DIY glow gel that I just currently made before I'm coming to you now. So I'm just gonna use some of my highlighting powder that I had it a long time, wasn't using it, so hey. But I'm just gonna break it up real fine, as fine as I can possibly get it, so it doesn't have any big hunks in it. Now I'm gonna take this LA Colors. It's kind of like glitter, like it's an eyeshadow glitter. Yeah, I had pretty much used this in the DIY Gold Mist spray. But yeah, I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this in there to give it a little bit more of a glow. Let you check it out. See, so it's kind of like I kind of mix the two together, you know. She get all up in there real good. But it gives it a more shimmery type of a thing going on there. You know what I'm saying. So now what I'm going to do is take this Johnson & Johnson baby gel. I love this baby gel. I don't know why. I got me a container, clear like lotion bottle. Or if you want to be fancy, you can also go to Walmart and get you this acrylic lotion dispenser bottle. Real fancy, snazzy. I got my shimmery powder. And what I'm going to do is just go on and transfer this baby gel into this little lotion container that I purchased. I think I purchased this when I did the DIY Gold Mist spray. Yeah. So now that I have all of that Johnson & Johnson baby gel inside of the little container, I'm going to... Really, cousin? Please excuse her. I don't know why she felt the need to get in my video. But anyway, I'm going to take the shimmery powder that I had crushed up earlier. Yeah, you saw it. And what I'm going to do is take my little tool and I'm going to begin scooping that powder and placing it into that container with the baby gel. Tool, look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. I'm talking about I didn't drop none of that. Like, I was kind of a little skeptical about that. I thought it was going to be everywhere. But now that little scooper, yeah, it did the trick. And I'm just going to apply some more of that in there until I feel like I want to stop. You know, how that go. I'm just eyeballing it. Now I'm going to put the top onto my little lotion bottle. And, of course, I'm going to commence the shaking. You know it. How else am I going to get glitter all over in the baby oil? I mean, I got to shake it. You know what I'm saying? It just is what it is. So, yeah, I'm going to continue to shake that to make sure that all the shimmery powder is, you know, well coated in that baby gel. That Johnson & Johnson. You know what I'm saying? Johnson & Johnson. Yeah. Now, the moment I've been so eagerly waiting for. Yes, look at that glow. Look at that glow. Can you see it in there? I mean, the camera just doesn't do it any justice. And the lighting doesn't do it any justice. But it was like hella pigmented. Like, you know, and then the Johnson & Johnson, that baby oil gel, it kind of, you know, it makes it like all shiny and shit. But you see the sparkles in there? I see them. I can see them. And I'm doing this voiceover. Yes. So glittery. So shiny. So smooth. But yeah, that's just a little show and tell, showing it on my skin. I hope you enjoy watching. Till next time.
Full of Fiji in the car.